Senate Republicans are sounding the alarm about a proposed funding model for higher education. It would change the way universities get support from the state. Last month, we told you about a state commission report calling for an overhaul of the entire process. State Capitol reporter Theodora Coulivaris reports.
A new proposal to revamp the state's funding of higher education aims to create a more equitable approach to the process, but it has been met with some pushback. Senate Republicans believe a recently proposed funding model for higher education could do more harm than good for public universities in Illinois.
We all agree there needs to be compensation for that, but they're doing it directly based upon the race of individual students.
The Commission on Equitable Public University Funding unveiled the proposal last month. The idea is similar to the evidence-based funding model already in place for Illinois' K-12 public schools. As part of the plan, certain metrics would determine the amount of money universities would get. But it would also set up equity adjustments, giving extra money for schools based on students' income status and race.
It just makes it more likely that additional students from these backgrounds that are traditionally underrepresented, rural, Black, Latino, low income, will be enrolling, and not just enrolling, but successfully completing their degree.
Republicans warn this would lead to constitutional issues, pointing to federal law and a recent Supreme Court ruling. They say if it were to pass, schools would lose federal grant funding.
Are we really going to jeopardize that type of research investment in this state and the promise that it carries for all of us?
University of Illinois System President Timothy Killeen disagreed.
I frankly, respectfully, can't imagine a future where the University of Illinois system loses its federal funding.
Ralph Martiri, who was a part of the commission that worked on the proposal, doesn't believe the constitutional issues apply.
The state, as opposed to an individual university, has every right to look at what the evidence indicates are practices that were encouraged by state policy that had negative impacts by race.
Governor Pritzker wouldn't comment on the new proposal specifically, but he did express his support for an evidence-based funding model for higher education. So far, no bill has been filed on the proposal. Reporting in Springfield, I'm Theodora Coulivaris.
The governor's proposed budget would give a nearly $25 million increase to the state's public universities, much less than what they got last year.